if you get a loan at the bank, you pay it for 30 years. But if you rob a bank, then you get out in 10 years. Don't forget to subscribe to follow me for more financial advice. I just realized that I'm wearing this same outfit in my Tuesdays haul video and I forgot to change. I've been filming several videos today, but oh well, I'm not gonna change. We're just gonna stay in this outfit. But I will link that haul down below in case you missed it, and only in case you knew that I just did Dollar Tree hauls. I don't. I do other hauls as well. This one was a Hobby Lobby holiday decor haul, so I'll link it down below. But I'm gonna try to do the same thing that I did for Monday's video and try not to edit, but that's scary. So let's just jump in. I love this haul. I've been really wanting to get to it. That's why I wanted to film all of my videos today, because I was just really excited about all the things that I found. So the first thing, picked up 2 pieces of black poster board. This is going to be for a craft I want to do for the Halloween decorate with me for my living room that I'm gonna do. That's coming out this week. I think it's gonna be Saturday's video if everything just kind of comes together on time. I'll keep you guys updated on Instagram. By the way, if you don't follow me there, I love posting stories. Those are kind of like my favorite thing to do. I'm trying to get more active about posting on my actual Instagram page more as well. So definitely go check that out in case you're interested. Okay, I'm just grabbing at random today too. I needed some moss, and honestly, I thought to myself, get this at the craft store instead of Dollar Tree, because I could have gotten a lot more for a better price. But I was there and I completely forgot to pick this up at Hobby Lobby. So I got this reindeer moss, but this is the perfect moss that I was actually looking for. I wanted it to be the vibrant green kind, because they have some of that Spanish moss too, that's just kind of more brown, but I was definitely on the hunt for this. I actually got 4 packets of those. Another one's floating in another bag. Then I found this desk lamp, which I thought was really cool. I think this would be great in a care package, in a gift basket, you know, maybe for somebody that's studying for finals. Ooh, that would be cute. I should do a study for finals like care package for my daughter. I mean, she's home right now, but I think she'll be back by the time she has to do finals. I really don't know, because it's also around her birthday, but where am I going? This is why I edit, because I say things that are completely irrelevant to you. The next things I feel like are new. I've never seen this particular brand or style before, but I found charcoal flossers. I also really like that they're black. I think that these would be cute in a Halloween care package. And then I feel like I haven't showed you guys any new picture frames in my hauls lately, but I found this one and I thought that the trim was really good. I like that there's this embossing in it, but I also like that they didn't paint the embossing like a different color. I like that it was just all black. Then I found a new mug, which I thought this one was really cute. It says coffee with a side of brunch. Look at that. I mean, I feel like this mug, just the mug in general, like, don't pay attention to this, but the mug in general, I feel is really basic. So I feel like Dollar Tree uses this style over and over and over, but then they always put some different print on it. It would be nice to get a bigger variety of mugs, but with mugs, it's one of those things where several a year, not several, but just a few here and there of like mug surprises, if that makes sense. And it's been a while, I feel like. I feel like it's time for a new set of mugs, and hopefully they do something that's gonna be wow for Christmas. So we'll see. I really don't mean to do this. At this point, it's almost like am I in collaboration with Vanessa? What? But I'm not. She doesn't know me, although I posted her information on my Instagram story because I kept getting asked who she was, and she saw my story, so I thought that was really cool. But she does not know who I am, at least I don't think that she does. I just happened to find her on Instagram, and she has her own cleaning company, and I just think she's a genius, and I follow her for all the cleaning advice. And one of the things that was really just making my head spin a little bit for a while was that she kept mentioning this brush, and she said that she got it from Dollar Tree, and I was like, no, I've never seen that at Dollar Tree. Why am I not finding this brush? And I've been wondering about this for the past month that I've been following her, and I went to a new store I have never been to before, and I found them. And I picked them up. I'm so excited. She uses these often in certain areas when she's cleaning her clients' homes, and she loves them and recommends them. So I was just like, well, if Vanessa says so, then so does my wallet. I stopped by the tool bench section and found this organizer. Oh my gosh, I think this is amazing. I think this would be great in a craft room too. You could probably hang ribbons. I don't think washi would work out, but lots of things that you could hang. Comment down below and let me know how you would use this. But in a garage, this I know would be amazing because you could hang like brooms and all kinds of things off of these hooks. And I think that's where I'm gonna put mine, is in the garage. This is definitely a new level at Dollar Tree. They've sold levels before, but I feel like this one I've never seen. I use the level on my phone if you guys like watch me when I hang certain things, but it would be nice to just kind of have this instead. I finally found some adorable, cute notebooks. You guys, these are charming. And they look like this. Hang on, let me get them situated. But they have this cover. What do you guys call this? I feel like you guys know what this is called, but and I'm sure once somebody comments down below, I'm gonna be like, yeah, that's it. But the word is not coming to me. So Dreams Do Come True is this one. You can see it's just a regular notepad with Girl Boss. Oh my god, I love that. This neon green, it's so pretty. Very summery. It's kind of odd that I'm finding this now, but this was a new Dollar Tree store, so maybe this has been around and just the other stores that I shop at just never put them out. And you know I love this yellow. Star Power, it's a really cute saying. I wish they would have taken this on a more like for the planner gals concept instead of maybe for students. Or I mean, you know, maybe they could have done both. I don't know. I'm asking for the world now, right? And this is, I don't know why I got this, but this is from Tool Bench too. So another new product in that section, which, hello, let's talk about that for a minute, because you rarely see any new products come out in that line of Dollar Tree. But I found this inspection mirror. What? Look at that. I'm assuming like this is for a car or view behind or under furniture. I said a car. What's a mechanic gonna do with this? And I found some new candles at Dollar Tree. The colors are gorgeous. I've never seen them do a shape like this before, so this is definitely new. This one is called Mineral Mist. Am I saying, I feel like I said that really southern, mineral. But anyways, love that. Not that there's a problem saying it's southern, because I do live in Dallas. This one is Turquoise Tides. Love that blue color. Summery, and this is Palo Santo. Hopefully I'm saying that right. This next piece of decor is a must-have. It's so cute. It would look great in shelves, bookshelves, on top of a desk. I feel like a lot of people are doing that white and gold concept. It is really beautiful and very modern. And look at this. Dollar Tree put that out. Like, how beautiful is this? Plus, you can actually hang it on the wall. You can see the two spots here to hang it on. This is why I edit. So good job there. And then I found a new cookbook. I feel like it's probably time for me to slow down on these because I'm running out of space from all of the cookbooks that I found. But this one I could not pass up on. Colossal Cookies. And then it's a cookie wonderland in here. I feel like sometimes people have an affinity to certain things, you know, like somebody maybe loves pigs and they collect pigs all the time, or, you know, something like cute cows or turtles, or, you know what I'm saying? I have a thing for bumblebees. You don't see them in the house, but I think anything bumblebees is super, super cute. And I found this tea light candle wax melt thing, I think is what this is. So I thought it was really, really cute. And I'll probably put this out in my guest bathroom in the summertime. Maybe I'll do something with like bumblebees. I don't really know. Then I found more of these decor boxes. And hello, look at this farmhouse goodness. They did something not too long ago with the same concept with the tractor, but it was a different image. So I knew looking at this that this was definitely new, and I love the upgraded version. I definitely love this one more than the last one. I mean, just all the colors, and then this farm to table one with the barn. And the last two things are these bags, but there's kind of a significance to this, and it's just Harry Potter. So yeah, my daughter has been getting me into Harry Potter. Now, I sorted into my house a really long time ago, and I'm Ravenclaw, by the way, and my daughter's Slytherin, so hello. But I also love these bags in general. For Christmas time, they are my absolute favorite, plus the red one as well. But if you're into the Harry Potter thing, you could definitely find the red and the yellow version of these bags and do the whole thing. Gryffindor, Hufflepuff, here's Ravenclaw, here's Slytherin. But I picked these up for Christmas time, but I thought it would be fun to maybe put some of my daughter's things in the Slytherin bag. Alright, so anyways, that's it. Comment down below and let me know what house you are in, and if you are curious, go to pottermore.com, and that's where you will sign up. You need to log in, have an account, but it's completely free. It's not sponsored at all. And you take the test, basically, and that's it. And then it sorts you into your house, and then you can even take more tests. You can find out what your wand is, and then whatever your animal thing is, and all that stuff. I don't know all the details. But anyways, that's it. Didn't mean to dive off into Harry Potter land with you guys, but I definitely want to know if you've been sorted into your house. Comment it down below. Anyways, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.